Hey everyone, Steve here at the DJ Lab, and I want to show you one of my favorite tricks here on the DJM-S11. It is the kill. And I'm going to show you how to get over to the kill, just in case you don't know, because if you look at the mixer, you're only going to see 6 effects, but there's more. So in order to switch your stuff over, all you got to do, you press and hold the beat effect select and turn the browse knob. And you can go through all the different effects that you've got there. But for this one here, we're just going to do the kill. In order to make this work, what you want to do, level depth all the way up, and I will demonstrate how this will fade out the track over 32 beats. You could do 64. We're going to do 32 for the moment. You can't make a smoother blend on a DJM-S11. Special shout out to my friends at 12-inch Skins for the beautiful skins on my 1200 MK5s and my DJM-S11, and of course the Aero Glide slip mats underneath my clear control discs, and of course my friends at Phase DJ. If you have any questions about this video, feel free to drop them below in the comments, and if you want to know some extra things you can do with the DJM-S11, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be making a lot more videos now that I've got the system set up right now. Talk to you soon.